how to set source on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, you'll have to do is go to System Settings. Okay, you can see below. Here in System Settings, on left side, go to General. In General, you can see here the date and time. Okay, go to this. In date and time, you can see the source. So this source is set into appletime.apple.com. So to set this, you'll have to do is click the set button on the right side and the pop-up are show. So you can touch ID or enter your password to allow this. And okay guys, the pop-up are show and the time server is appletime.apple.com. And if you want to set to another, so for my example, I remove the Apple, and after you set the source, so okay, click the done button to save. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the source on MacBook Air. So if you want to back to default, okay, you'll have to do is click the set button again and click the default button on the pop-up to back to default source or time server. And after that, click done button to save. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the source on MacBook Air.